Now we are moving on the national identity. National identity is the act of belonging and identifying with a nation. It is represented by the symbols, belief, culture, and heritage for which the country is known and identified with. And this includes the national symbol like currency, the national flag, the pledge, the national anthem, and the coat of arms, and so on. Now, national identity is one's identity or sense of belonging to one state or to one nation. It is the sense of a nation as a cohesive whole or as represented by distinctive tradition, culture, language, and politics. National identity also refers to the characteristics by which a nation can be recognized. Identity is also the situation in which things are alike or same. In this wise, people from the same cultural group are different another and can easily be known for some common characteristics they possessed. For instance, the Yoruba are different from the Igbo in their greetings, their dressing modes, in their food, their dance, their marriage practice, their act. There's a wide difference between the Yoruba culture and the Igbo culture in terms of the traditions and value and so on. Now, each tribe in Nigeria have their different way of life which differ from one to another. Ethnic composition of Nigeria. Ethnic groups. Nigeria has 250 ethnic groups, and the most populous and politically influential include the Hausa Fulani, which takes up to 29% of the population of the country, and the Yoruba, which takes up to 21%, while the Igbo tribe takes up to 18%. The Ijaw takes up to 10%, and Kanuri are up to the 4% of the population. The Ibibio 3.5%, the Tiv 2.5%, and so on like that. The official language of the country is English, Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo, and also Fulani, and over 500 additional indigenous languages. Now, the major tribes in Nigeria are the Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa Fulani tribe. The aspects of nationalism identity. Nationalism is an ideology and movement that promotes the interest of a particular nation. That is, it further aims to build and maintain a single national identity based on a shared social characteristics such as the culture, the tradition, and so on. What aspects helps to create a national identity? Now, the following aspects helps to create a national identity: the language, the religion, the perceptions of shared ancestry, shared culture like the literature, the arts, music, style of dressing, the ornaments and technology, and also shared historical experience are the fundamentals which underlie a national identity. But some external threats is essential for this to coalesce true sense of nationality.